Hello everyone, welcome back. So, if you use Google Chrome for school, work, research, or just casual web browsing, you may end up with lots of Chrome tabs you may not want to lose, like your favorite clothing styles you just looked at, or maybe some study related websites you just want to save for further reference. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily save all open Chrome tabs during a browsing session so that you can reopen them later. Let's get started. The first method I'll be showing is bookmarking all open tabs. To do that, go to the three dots option here, click that and hover over the bookmarks option. You can see an option named bookmark all tabs. Click that, or you can use a shortcut to do it if you use it frequently, which is Shift Command D. Now click on that and it will ask you to make a folder. I'll name it My Favorite Websites. And it will be saved in your bookmarks. Right here. If you want to open them all at once, right click on this and click on Open All, either in a new window or you can do it right where you are. I'll just show you in a new window. All your bookmark websites will be appearing on the new window. This option might not be as effective as I'll be showing an extension which has more whistles and bells, but if you are okay with this or don't want to install extensions, this option is worth a try. And alternatively, you can set Chrome to reopen tabs from your last Chrome session. Click the three dots here and go to Settings. There, scroll down until you see on Startup. The default is set to open the new tab page, which is this Google Chrome page. To set that option, click on the second radio option which says Continue where you left off. Click on that. You can still try this option, but this is no form of actual saving of tabs because once you start to add more tabs, these old tabs will be recovered, but it will clutter up your browsing experience. The second method is using an extension. One tab extension is the best choice for saving all of your open Chrome tabs with just one click. You need to install this extension from the Chrome Web Store. I'll link this in the description. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. It will be downloaded. Now, once you are sure it is downloaded, now click on this icon next to your profile picture and click on One Tab. It will combine all of your open tabs into one tab folder. You can restore all at once or just restore a single file. This restored all your saved tabs. Now click on One Tab again and all those will be closed and brought back into the One Tab extension. Another great feature is sharing all your saved tabs with another person with a web page they can open or view the tabs you have shared. To do that, click on Share as Web Page here. It will generate a new web page. Now you can copy and share this link with your friends or colleagues in any chat platform like Gmail, Messages or etc. Here's why I recommend using extensions. It is because 1. Bookmark folders take a lot of resources while opening Chrome, which ultimately results in slower opening of Chrome, and 2. It may look a bit messy to manage all them in a cluttered bookmark bar. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please drop a like, comment and share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. This is me signing off. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.